It's a new year and I've got another new strategy. Well, it's 2016, first vlog of this year, first of many. So what have I been working on over Christmas and leading up to Christmas? Well, I haven't been doing many videos or doing much writing because I've been so concentrated on working on developing a new system or strategy to complement ones I already trade. Now, when developing a new strategy, for those of you who do similar stuff, it really helps to already have objectives. Like, I already knew how many trades that I wanted to take per year. I knew how long I wanted the trades to last. I wanted to know exactly when I was going to trade. So the main thing was it needed to be a system of kind of a medium term. Now, medium term for me is between one day and maybe a couple of weeks. And looking at the system that I have created or developed, it fits that bill perfectly. I think the longest trade was about 9 days, 9 trading days, and the shortest, you take profit within the next day. So that's great, or the same day. So that's perfect. It trades at the right time of the day. It trades at the end of the day. So that fits in with me perfectly. I look to see if there's a trade, I place the trade, and if it gets filled, then it gets filled, and then stop loss automatic. Look to take profit manually at the end of the next day, which is great. So it trades between 40 and 60 trades a year. So that's, again, that's perfect, that's just right. What I was looking at to start with was I was looking at the FX markets. I love Forex. I already have a few different systems that I personally trade Forex, so it kind of made sense that I would look for this sort of swing trading system to trade the Forex markets with. But unfortunately, as of yet, I couldn't find something exactly what I wanted, or well, nothing's going to be exact, but something suitable that I could work with, that I'd be happy to trade. So what I did was I went back and looked at a market that I've traded loads over the past, and I've done a hell of a lot of testing on as well, and that's the world indices, specifically the S&P 500. So I've traded it so much that I kind of know how it works. It works differently to Forex. I find you need to trade it differently to Forex. It just moves differently to the currency markets. So with that in mind, I looked at the SPX, the S&P 500, and went about trying to develop a strategy to meet my objectives and criteria. And what I've come up with is something that I can trade at the end of the day. Like I said, trades will last maximum of a couple of weeks, 40 to 60 trades a year. That's just right, and it really fits in with the other strategies that I trade for my own personal account. I actually came up with a really good little system or strategy, but what it involved me getting up at 6:30 in the morning to look at the markets and place trades. Once they were placed, they were pretty much automatic. They took care of themselves for the rest of the day. Now, I got quite excited because the results were pretty good, and after maybe a couple of weeks of testing and looking at stuff, I thought I actually put on a few trades to test. Probably 2 or 3 days I got up at 6:30 to place the trades, and I thought, actually, this doesn't really suit me. I don't want to be getting up at 6:30 in the morning at this point in my life. I don't like getting up that early, so I thought, no, I'm going to put that on the back burner. It's a really good system, and it's probably something that a lot of you be more applicable to a lot of you guys who are up that time in the morning, or whether you're in America, and it could be late in the evening, and it could be ideal. But for me, it wasn't right, so I moved on. Most of the stuff I was testing, the vast majority of it didn't work, or it worked, as in it had an edge, it made money, but it just wasn't suitable. So I've finally come up with this system that I think sort of ticks all the boxes. It makes good money, and it's just suitable. So next step is to start applying a minimum amount of money to it, just to make sure that the orders fill correctly, that sort of stuff. I've traded that market enough to know that what I've tested, it should be fine in the future. I know, you know, slippage wise, opening gaps, that sort of stuff. I know how this market works, so it should be fine. But that said, I'm only risking a very small amount of money while I'm testing this. I'll probably test 10, 20 trades, so maybe a couple of months worth, 2 or 3 months worth, and see how it goes before I start ramping up to the sort of appropriate risk size, and see how that goes. So really happy about that. That's what I've been doing over Christmas, amongst eating too much chocolate, all that sort of good stuff. And that's it, first vlog of 2016. There's going to be many more to come, along with the training videos and all stuff just to help you guys out. So I hope you've liked it. Always pop over to my blog at thetransparenttrader.com for the free stuff, the good stuff. Hope you like my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next video.